Hey guys, Toy Chica 15 here, and welcome back to my videos. Now, today's Christmas Eve. Yay. Tomorrow's Christmas, I cannot wait. I'm gonna be making a video tomorrow. I know my voice sounds crappy, but I'm still going to make a video tomorrow. I do not know what's going on with my voice, but I don't like my voice. So tomorrow I'll be making a video. Right now I am at, I'm in Clarkston finally. The roads were bad yesterday. There were some people getting into car accidents. It was not fun. Not fun at all. My mom is, I'm actually with my mom and my grandma, but they're at Albertsons. So yeah. Also, if you haven't checked out Markiplier's new video of where he fills up his bathtub full of hot chocolate. So if you haven't watched that video, you should. And if you haven't watched the video of him filling up his bathtub full of ice and eggnog, then you should. Just like I always say in my videos, I think that Jacksepticeye and Markiplier make very good videos, and they're good YouTubers. And I'm trying to be a good YouTuber too. So, yeah. But if you want me to do any challenges, comment down below, and I'll do those challenges. And I might do it sometimes with Sydney Youngert. So, yeah. Also, Sydney and Friends posted a video of a third episode of, I forgot what it's called. But yeah. Anyways, I'll make my videos tomorrow, so that'll be it. Click that like button and subscribe for challenges. If you subscribe, I'll do challenges. So click that like button and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.